Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? 3. Ring. Sir plus kiss. Circus. 3-ring circus. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you. Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our program. The young man on my right is smiling, and he has many reasons to smile. He's won 3 games, and he has picked up a lot of money, $12,367 in prizes. Congratulations to you, John Owen. What kind of work do you do? We didn't get into that.
I'm working in a bakery. We did.
Oh, that's right. We did talk about that. Yes, you get to eat
Yeah.
all the products.
Sure.
All right, let's meet your opponent. Pretty young lady. Her name is Nadine Wong. Hi, Nadine.
Hi, Alex.
What kind of work do you do? You're pretty enough to be a model. Are you a model?
Yes, I am a model. I'm a Ford model from New York City, and I'm presently attending Columbia University getting my MBA.
MBA. Well, how about that? Nicely done.
Thank you.
Business good these days?
Not too bad. I just accepted a position at an investment bank.
Great. After the show, you can tell me what to do with some of Gene's money, because I won it off him in a card game last night. Take a look over here, and we will show you one of the fun prizes in this first game.
Buffalo Mini Boat weighs 98 pounds, holds 2 people, 3 horsepower, goes 16 miles per hour, includes horn, anchor, compass, radio, and trailer. Furnished by Buffalo Mini Boat. Alex.
Thank you. Let's show John and Nadine where we will find the mini boat at number 20. Jackson Hole, Wyoming. That conjures up some great images, I'm sure. That's the holiday in this first game. And Nadine, you get to pick first.
Okay, Alex. Let's open up the board at number 5. Whoa!
Jackson Hole, Wyoming.
And
Now,
let's
you know that Eileen Ford would not want you going up to Jackson Hole to do some skiing, right? She wants to protect her girls. But you can enjoy the other part of the holiday.
Let's get a match or wild card at number 7.
Mini boat with trailer. Didn't match up for you, but John's going to make a match.
You bet. All right, let's go for the mini boat with trailer, number 20 and number 7.
Yeah, correct. Sometimes it works out that way, folks. One player finds a prize, the other one matches it. Open it up. Select again.
All right, let's see what's behind number 21, please.
Gas barbecue.
All right, and we'll go for the match under number 12.
Cooking lessons. No match. Nadine.
Okay, let's open up number 10.
Wild card. Now.
Let's go to Jackson Hole, Wyoming, number 5.
Number 5. Right. The other Wyoming vacation. Same column at the bottom. Number 25. 3 panels opening for Nadine. Pick again.
Okay, let's open up number 1.
Cooking lessons.
Let's get a match under number 21.
No, that's the gas barbecue. John.
Number 12, please.
12 for the cooking lessons?
And
right.
the match under number 1, please.
You are correct. John, benefiting from Nadine's pioneering work on our board. Open this up. Select again.
Number 2.
Red tape.
Oh, I'd love to find the other one. Let's look under 19.
Gas barbecue. No match, but Nadine's going to make one.
That's right. Let's get that gas barbecue under number 21 and the match for number 19.
You got it. That's the way. 2 more. Select again.
Okay, let's open up number 14.
Chef's barbecue tools.
Oh, that should go nicely with the barbecue. And number 23.
No, the grandfather clock is there. That's a good prize. John.
Let's see what's behind 8.
Diamond stud earrings.
And let's go for the match under 11.
Grandfather clock, no match for you. Nadine may make one.
Yes, number 23 for the grandfather clock, and the match to number 11.
There you go. Back and forth, back and forth. Different players making matches at different times. Let's see if this one benefits Nadine. Go again.
Okay, let's open up number 2.
Red take.
And another red take on number 22.
Love seat and chair. No match. John.
Okay. Number 8.
Diamond stud earrings.
Number 6.
Green take. Nadine.
Let's open number 4.
Love seat and chair.
And the match, I believe, on number 22.
Love seat and chair. Yes. Nadine would love to be about 12 inches away from the screen. Okay, what do you see now as we open these panels? Select again.
Let's open the door number 13. And a take on number 2.
Number 2 is the red take. Mini boat and trailer, cooking lessons, or you can save it.
I think I'll take a mini boat and trailer.
Mini boat and trailer. I wonder if they'd let you use that mini boat in Central Park. Take a look.
Is it hotel motel?
Is it hotel motel? No, it is not. Pick again.
Okay, let's open up number 9.
Encyclopedia set.
And number 15.
Wild card, so it is a match for you. Where is the other encyclopedia set? Will it help at number 17? Let's take a look. Select.
Let's open up number 3.
Wild card, the last one in this game.
And let's open up number 6.
Number 6, she wants to see what that is. The other green take is a 24. Nadine, do you want to use this green take?
Yes, I'll take it.
Yes, I'll take it. She's very businesslike on that one. The cooking lessons go over, and we open 3 doors for Nadine.
No-tell motel?
Is it no-tell motel?
Oh,
You played that game very, very well. Congratulations. Come on, Nadine. Let's go to the board. Beautifully done. Now you get to explain it.
Okay, we have a note plus hell, no-tell, moat, hell, no-tell, motel.
Hard to say when you're excited and nervous, right? But you should be excited and nervous. You won some fabulous prizes. John, your second strike. Unfortunately, we're going to say goodbye to you, but you've got a Tahiti vacation awaiting you, a holiday in the Grand Canyon, $900 in cash, a total of about $13,367. Congratulations to you, John.
Good luck.
Good luck to you. Take care. All right, Nadine, you put some good prizes in your column, and Gene's about to tell you all about them.
Cooking lessons, a gas barbecue, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a gas barbecue or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and an encyclopedia set. The new Encyclopedia Britannica, the 32-volume edition for the whole family to use for home study, looking up facts or probing subjects in depth, in handsome black bindings by Encyclopedia Britannica, and a love seat and chair. Amisco's Paris love seat and armchair, soft leather, contemporary styling, and tubular steel construction, sturdy and comfortable, are this duo's assets furnished by Amisco, and a grandfather clock. This Wurlitzer grandfather clock is destined to become a family heirloom. The Montrose in vintage cherry features beveled glass and rotating moon dial, gracefully elegant, furnished by Wurlitzer. And Jackson Hole, Wyoming. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Jackson Hole. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 7 nights at the Jackson Hole Racket Club Resort, where leisure and adventure go hand in hand. You may enjoy tennis, racquetball, swimming, and skiing, or relax by the fire in your private condominium furnished by the Jackson Hole Racket Club Resort. And, of course, the sporty mini boat with trailer. And Nadine, I wonder if you ever made this much money in such a short time while you modeled, because you have prizes totaling $11,113.
That's the biggest one-game win we've had in a long, long time, Nadine. Congratulations. Bonus round for the car after this. All right, Nadine, let's do it. 15 numbered squares for you. 35 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
Nope.
3, 4.
Nope.
5, 6.
Nope.
7, 1.
Yes.
8, 9.
Nope.
4, 10.
Yes.
11, 12.
Nope.
9, 12.
Right.
15. It's 5.
Yes.
14. 13.
No.
6, 13.
No.
6, 14.
Yes.
13, 3.
Yes.
11, 8.
No.
11, 2.
Yes! Oh, Nadine, you are so good. Wow. Tell her, Gene, she got the car everyone has wanted this week.
Nadine, you just won this Jeep Wrangler Soft Top. Features a 2.5-liter i4 fuel-injected engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and power steering. Furnished by Jeep, a prize worth over $11,600.
Well, I've been wondering how long Nadine would stay with us. She stayed long enough to win a game and a car. $22,783. Congratulations. Oh, you were just sensational. We'll take a break and bring a new player in right after this. This is going to sound like radio. It's time for the Ken and Mark Show. On my right, Ken Evans. Welcome aboard.
How do you do?
On my left, Mark Petrie.
Hi there.
Welcome.
How you doing?
We don't have all that much time, so if you gentlemen don't mind, we'll get right into the game.
Let's
and we'll
do it.
find out about you guys on our next show. For the moment, take a look over here and we will show you a great prize.
A classic adaptation of the popular French baker's rack, featuring a butcher block and wine rack, and accented with gleaming solid brass trim, furnished by Corsican Furniture Company. Alex.
And that rack can be found on our game board right here behind number 6. This is the second game of the day, so we have the 5 bonus car seconds. John walked off with $900 in the cash pot before, so we are starting it once again with $500. And the holiday is Aruba. And Mark, you go first.
I get to go first.
You get to go first.
Okay, I'd like to go to Aruba. I'd like to start with number 5, please.
Home security system.
And the match or wild card under number 12.
5 bonus car seconds. No match there. Ken?
I'm glad we know where they are. Let's see if we can find a wild card or a match under number 8, please.
Pool table.
Oh, I want the Aruba. Number 10, please.
5 bonus car seconds. Aren't you glad we know where they are?
Bonus
Mark.
car seconds. How about number 12?
Bonus car seconds.
And the match for the bonus car seconds under number 10, please.
They are yours for the moment. There are, of course, the 2 takes still up there. Let's open these 2 panels, please, for Mark's benefit. Pick again.
Yeah, number 21, please.
Cash pot.
Cash pot. How about a wild card under number 22?
No, that's the red take. Ken?
All right. Let's go to the bottom right corner, number 25, please.
Diamond and opal pendant.
My girlfriend wants that, I'm sure. Number 1 for the other corner.
No. Aruba Beach Resort. Now we know where that is. Mark.
Yeah.
Let's go fishing for that vacation or wild card under number 7.
Wallpaper gift certificate.
And a match or wild card under number 2.
Didn't get too excited over that one, did you? But you're going to get it in your prize column. There's the wild card. The other gift certificate for wallpaper is on the same line. Number 9. 3 doors will swing open for Mark this time. Try it again.
All right, how about number 3?
Green take.
Green take. I think we saw the red take, not the green take. How about number 4?
Baker's rack. No match. Ken.
I've spaced the baker's rack. How about number 5?
Home security
We
system.
saw that. Number 20, please.
Red take, no match. Mark?
Okay, I think I'll try to get the red take first under number 22
Yes?
and number 20 for the match.
That's good. Hold your thought for the other match. We'll open these two doors.
I don't know yet.
No?
No.
Well, make another match.
How about the baker's rack under number 6
Yes?
and the match under number 4?
Number 4, that matches. Another prize. Nicely done, says Ken. You won't feel that way if you solve the puzzle. Let's open the panels. Go again, Mark.
Not enough quite yet. How about number 8 for the Aruba?
No pool table.
Pool table. I'd love to have a pool table. How about a match or a wild card under number 13?
No, there's a dishwasher there. Ken.
Number 18, please.
1-8, diamond and opal pendant.
Ooh, did we see that at number 15?
I don't think so.
No.
That's the
No, I know where
dishwasher.
it was.
Mark.
Okay, how about number 13 for the dishwasher
Right?
and number 15 for the match?
Right. There's a match. Another look at the puzzle. 2 more doors opening.
I can't see under 3 and 8 yet.
All right, go again.
Number 25, please,
Well, that's the pendant.
and number 18 for the match.
There's the match. Yes. A lot of prizes in Mark's column. Open it up. Select again.
Number 16, please,
Green take.
and number 3.
Green
Yes.
take. Another match. He's got them both, but there's nothing to grab. Open the panels. Another selection,
God, I
Mark.
don't know it yet. How about number 23?
Wild card.
Aruba, number 1.
Number 1 for Aruba. The other Aruba Beach Resort vacation is at number 14. Will he solve the puzzle now? Select
I don't
again.
know it.
Boo. There's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get set to ring in. We're going to start revealing. Number 5. Ken is in there fast.
For richer or for poor?
Is it for richer or for poorer? No, it is not. Mark, look at it carefully.
Can I guess now?
Well, wait till we
Okay.
reveal the whole puzzle for you. Hurry.
For richer or poorer?
Is it for richer or poorer?
Yes!
Yes, it is. All right, Mark, come on to the board. One word, Ken, that's all.
Oh, thanks, Ken. I got the 4 here. The RIH is ri, chair, for richer. The or, he's pouring into the glass is pour, and or, for richer or poorer.
For richer or poorer. And Ken just discovered one of the sad things about our show. If you don't solve the puzzle exactly as it is
You're right.
portrayed, it costs you. You put in that extra 4 there. You've got 1 strike against you, but you'll do well in the next game, I'm sure. We'll see you in that
Win a
weekend.
car, Mark.
All right, thanks, Ken.
All right, Mark, we're going to hear about all your prizes. You had a lot of them in your column. You had everything. Gene, tell them.
A diamond opal pendant, and a wallpaper gift certificate. The look of Bob Mitchell Designs. Fine hand-screened wall coverings and related fabrics offer the latest fashion and coloring from traditional to contemporary designs for your home. Furnished by Bob Mitchell Designs, and a dishwasher. A Whirlpool, Power Clean, Energy Saver, portable, convertible, or under-counter dishwasher with Power Clean washing system. And exclusive in-the-door silverware basket furnished by Whirlpool. And Aruba. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Aruba, and you'll spend 6 nights at the 600-room Holiday Inn Aruba Beach Resort and Casino. Offers fine dining, dancing, international, and island entertainment, furnished by a Holiday Inn Aruba Beach Resort and Casino. And, of course, the elegant baker's rack and the 5 bonus car seconds. And, Mark, you've hit the mark with a prize package totaling $6,787.
Plus, he gets a chance to win a car after this. All I can say is that with 35 seconds on the clock, you're going to need a little bit of luck and some early matches. The 15 numbered squares first. 35 seconds is base time on the clock. And the 5 bonus seconds taking it up to 40. And now you may begin. Good luck.
Okay, 1, 2,
Nope.
4, 5,
Nope.
7, 8,
Nope.
10-11.
Nope.
13-14.
Nope.
13-8.
Nope.
13-7.
Nope.
13-5.
Yes.
14-15.
Nope.
15-4.
Yes.
12-9.
No.
12-7.
Yes.
9-6.
No.
9-10.
No.
9-11.
No. Go one more.
9-14.
Hey. See? That's all right. You've got $6,787. You'll play again. We'll take a break. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive whatever the occasion. You'll remember it with great pictures when you take along the new Olympus Infinity Junior. It's the full auto compact camera that's as smart as it looks. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Thank you for tuning us in. We'll see you all next time.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.